Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia XR20 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. On the third position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the options which are connected to the date and time, and they are inactive. So we have to turn off the network provided time and time zone just by tapping on those switchers, and all of those options are active right now, so we can simply tap on it. And in order to pick the date, we will have to find it in this calendar, so let me do it and tap on the date you would like to set, tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just tap on it, and from this clock we can pick the time we would like to use, so let me pick 9 o'clock, tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. Of course, we can change the time zone also, just tap on the region, and here you've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. Remember, I've chosen 9, not 7 o'clock. And under it, we've got the time format, so here we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Right now we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to set 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here and it will be immediately changed. What's more, you can simply tap on use local default and it will be automatically applied, and it will be set based on the time zone. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on this 24-hour format, tap on the switcher to use network provided time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your Nokia XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.